Good day, wonderful learners! Warm welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 ways to greet people in a casual and friendly manner and make sure that you can understand how to use these phrases. Let's get started. The first phrase is "What's up?" But wait, it's not the same as "How are you?" So what does "What's up?" mean? Well, it's actually a casual way to ask what's happening or how things are going. It is like saying, "Hey, what's new?" or "What's going on?" And guess what? You don't always need to give a deep answer. A simple "not much" or just "nothing" would be fine. So next time, if someone says "What's up?" do not answer "I'm fine." Now you know what to say. How have you been or how have you been doing? These questions are asked when you haven't seen someone for a while and want to ask about their life. So if your friend asks, "How have you been?" you can say, "I've been great, actually just busy with work." Or "Not bad." Or "Pretty good. What about you?" If you do not know the person very well, or it could be a customer, and ask about what is going on in their life, it's not very polite. So instead of asking "How have you been?", which might feel too personal, a better option is "Good to see you" or "How nice to see you." These greetings sound warm and professional while keeping the conversation comfortable. Plus, they give you a natural way to continue the conversation. For example, "Good to see you. It's been a while since we last met." "How nice to see you. I hope you've been doing very well." However, if you want to know more information about a person's life, you might ask "How's life?" This question is more open and personal and can further communication. The phrase "How do you do?" is very formal. This phrase isn't something you'd generally use with friends or acquaintances. It is used when you meet someone or you are introduced to someone for the first time in formal situations, like at a business event or an official gathering. It is not usually used with friends. What does "How do you do?" actually mean? It is similar to "Nice to meet you." So when someone says to you, "How do you do?", the correct answer is "How do you do?" No need to talk about how you are feeling. It's just a polite exchange. I'm finishing this video with the phrase "How are you?" This simple question is a great way to start a conversation with someone. And guess what? There's nothing wrong with using it. You are a speaker, and at the beginning of your English journey, it is perfectly fine to use this phrase. It is easy to remember and easy to use. Other phrases are your backup tools, your personal helpers for different situations. Even in your own native language, you use some greeting phrases for friends, acquaintances, and new people. It is all about habit. So keep expanding your vocabulary using new phrases, but also don't forget the ones which you already know. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. You might also like our video about using confusing words. If you found this video valuable, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.